Welcome back to our channel, the place where finance meets fun and the future is now. Today, we're embarking on a digital odyssey into the heart of the investment universe, artificial intelligence, or AI, stocks. Fasten your seatbelts because this journey is going to be electrifying. The AI revolution. What's the big deal? Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and even predict. That's not the plot of the latest sci-fi blockbuster. That's AI. It's reshaping industries, from healthcare, where it's outdiagnosing doctors, to finance, where it's outsmarting market analysts, and even in our daily gadgets, making them smarter than ever. But what exactly is AI? Picture this. Algorithms so advanced they enable machines to perform tasks that once needed human brains. Whether it's machine learning, where computers learn without being explicitly programmed, or natural language processing, allowing them to chat with us seamlessly, AI's scope is as vast as the universe itself. Why AI stocks? The investment frontier, investing in AI, isn't just throwing money at tech buzzwords. It's strategically placing your bets on the future. AI is at the forefront of the 2020s economy, transforming sectors and creating opportunities that were once deemed impossible. Navigating the AI maze, key considerations. Before you dive headfirst into AI investing, here are the nuts and bolts. Assessing AI stocks requires a keen eye on market positioning, the financial health of the company, and the tech prowess behind their products. Remember, AI firms often boast sky-high valuations based on potential rather than profits, making them both thrilling and risky ventures. The thrills and spills of AI investing. Like any roller coaster, AI investing has its ups and downs. From the risk of technological obsolescence to market volatility and regulatory challenges, the path is fraught with hurdles. Yet, the promise of being part of a transformative wave of innovation offers a potentially lucrative ride for those willing to navigate these waters. Mastering AI investments. Investing in AI requires agility, akin to surfing on digital waves. Keeping abreast of the AI landscape, scrutinizing business models, and understanding competitive dynamics are part of your investment playbook. This sector isn't for the faint-hearted. It demands a strategy as dynamic as the technology itself. Spotlight on AI titans. Let's zoom in on some trailblazers. C3.ai is revolutionizing enterprise AI, while Palantir decodes data like ancient runes. NVIDIA, the king of graphics, is pushing the boundaries with AI chips, and Microsoft, the tech behemoth, is pioneering AI through cloud computing and partnerships with AI prodigies like OpenAI. The ethical AI conundrum. As we marvel at AI's potential, it's crucial to ponder its ethical dimensions. From data privacy concerns to the societal impacts of automation, the AI journey is as much about innovation as it is about navigating the moral maze of technology's advance. Your AI investment saga. Embarking on the AI investment journey is akin to exploring uncharted galaxies. It's exhilarating, filled with discoveries, and yes, a bit daunting. The key, knowledge, diversification, and a laser focus on long-term horizons. AI investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon to the future. AI investing for the intrepid explorer. For those ready to dive into the AI abyss, here are some golden nuggets. Stay educated on AI trends, evaluate business models for clarity and viability, and don't put all your digital eggs in one basket. Diversification is your best defense in the volatile realm of AI stocks. Beyond the hype, AI's real-world impact. As we venture beyond the investment hype, it's evident that AI's impact is profound and far-reaching. From enhancing healthcare outcomes to revolutionizing how we work and play, AI is not just shaping the future of industries, it's redefining our very existence. Your passport to the AI investment universe. As we wrap up our cosmic journey through AI investing, remember, this adventure is just beginning. The AI landscape is vast, dynamic, and brimming with opportunities and challenges. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to navigate this exciting sector with wisdom, patience, and a dash of daring. A call to bold investors. So there you have it, fellow explorers of the financial cosmos. AI investing is a frontier teeming with potential and pitfalls. Armed with knowledge, strategy, and a sprinkle of caution, you're now ready to embark on this thrilling expedition. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more finance adventures that take you beyond the ordinary. Got thoughts, questions, or ideas for our next deep dive? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from our community of intrepid investors.